If you're a realtor and we know you have a lot of choices with brokerages, why would you come work here at Realty One Group Elevate? What makes Realty One Group Elevate different? Do you see this really fun wall behind me? That's really what makes us different. We are fun. We're relaxed, we're casual, and one of the best parts is we have the best paid agents. Now, it's not all about the money. Here at Realty One Group Elevate, we have 6 core values that drive everything that we do. And one of them, it's right up here, it's right above my head. You might not be able to see it, but it's called culture. So it's kind of funny and awkward, but we have such great culture that we're fun. We do lots of group events. We've gone to escape rooms. We've done big movies with everybody. And we have a monthly happy hour because I can tie that right into one of our other core values, which is care. We care about you. We care about you as a person. We want to know as much about you as you're willing to share. And we also offer health insurance. And we also, my favorite core value is coaching. We're here to help you both on the level here as our local brokerage here, but also as a whole organization. Every day of the week, you have access to live training. Already spoke about commissions. What about Connect? We have some of the best technology out there, and I'll tell you something, it's easy to use. This person right here, not good at technology. And they're actually useful tools that save you time and energy so you can go out there selling. And the last part of what makes us different, and obviously the best, is community. We want to be a part of the community and give back as much as possible. We spend an entire day volunteering every year, and we continue that throughout the year. Right now, we're doing a dog food drive, but that's just something we're doing. And obviously you get to work with some great people that are collaborative, and it's fun to come to. We have 2 offices, one significantly bigger than the other. Oh, you know what's something that we have is we have an entire podcast studio and a place to film reels with a background like this, comfortable chairs where you can interview someone or just talk to a customer or someone you work with. If you want more information about this, because I actually gave you a lot of information, but if you want even more, we would love to set up a confidential interview. And you know what? Check us out. Check us out on YouTube. There's a lot of information out there. Check us out on our Instagram channel. Check us out on Facebook. If you want more information, we'd love to connect with you.